Today we will see the traveling salesman problem as an assignment model. So we can solve this traveling salesman problem by the assignment model or considering by the graphical method also. So here we are solving this traveling salesman as an assignment model. So traveling salesman wants to travel from city A to the city E. So he has to complete all the cities. Suppose take an example of a Flipkart delivery boy. When he started from one city, he has to complete, or one location, he has to complete all the location, and after that he has to return to the its initial location. So after completing all the city, he want to come to the its initial location. So here we can say city A, B, C, D, E. So from this city and to A, B, C, D, E, and all the elements. So this matrix is a cost matrix. So it is required 2, 5, 7, 1. So this is a cost required to travel from city 1 to the city 2. Okay, and at diagonal element it is taken as a m. Some cases it may be taken as a infinity or any value, or dash is taken. So here diagonal element there is a no value put in the diagonal element. So we have to solve this traveling salesman problem. It is similar to the assignment problem only. So we know in the assignment problem, first step is a check the problem is a having balance problem or not. Means m is equal to n. Number of rows equal to number of columns or not. So here you can see the 5 rows are there and 5 columns are there. So this is a balance problem. Now first step is a row subtraction step. Okay, in the row subtraction step we are taking the smallest element from a row and subtract that element from all other elements. So consider, suppose this is the first row. In the first row 1 is the smallest element. So subtract this 1 from all the element of that row. So here m keeping as it is. So in the first row I am keeping m as it is and subtracting this 1 from all the elements. So 2 minus 1, that is 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4, 7 minus 1, that is a 6, and 1 minus 1, that is a 0. So this is for a first row. In the second row, if you check the smallest element, so 2 is the smallest element. Now subtract this 2 from all the element of that row. So 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then this row become, then m keeping as it is, then 3 minus 2, that is a 1. Then 8 minus 2, that is a 6, and 2 minus 2, that is a 0. Okay, so this is for a second row. And similarly for the third row, so in the third row smallest element here we can say it is a 4. So subtract this from 4 from all the elements, so that will become 4, then 3, m keeping as it is, then 0 and 3. So 4, 3, 0, 3. So that is after row number 3. In the row number 4, the smallest element is here 4. So subtract this 4 from all element. 12 minus 4, that is 8, then 0, then 2, m as it is, and 1. So this is for fourth row. In the fifth row, smallest element is a 1. So that will become here 0, then 2, then 1, then 7, and m keeping as it is at the diagonal element. So we are solving by the assignment model. So first step is completed, row subtraction. Then next step is a column subtraction. So column subtraction, like a row subtraction, we are taking the smallest element from the column. So I will write here the cities A, B, C, D and E. So these are the cities. And now we have to solve the for step number 2, column subtraction. So in the column subtraction, selecting the smallest element from the column. So in the first column, here in the first column smallest element is 0. Now subtract this 0 element from all the element of that column. Okay, so initially I will write this diagonal element m is as it is, because at diagonal element there is no value. So what it means, from city A he is traveling to city A, but when he is in city A, so how he should travel to the city A? So that's why here at the diagonal element it is taken as m, or in some cases it is taken as a dash, or in some cases it is taken as z, or in some cases it is infinity, whatever. But here I have taken the m. Now in the column subtraction, so in the first column 0 is the smallest element. So subtract this 0 from all the element of that column. So here 0 is the smallest, so it will remain as it is. So it will be, we'll use the another color. So it will be 4, then here 4, then here 8 and 0, because 0 is the smallest element. Similarly for the second column 0 is the smallest element. So here again this column remaining as it is, and here 1, 3, 0 and 2. In the third column 1 is the smallest element. So in third column it changes to here 3, 0, m as it is, then 1 and 0. So in the third column 3, 0, 1, 0. In the fourth column 6 6 0, so here 0 is the smallest element, so it is remaining as it is 6 6 0 and 7. And in the last column again here 0 is the smallest element, so it is also remaining as it is 0 0 3 and 1. Now here we know this is a second step, column subtraction. Now next step is making the assignment. So you can say next step is making assignment. As in the previous lecture I have already mentioned how to give the assignment to each row and each column. So for the first row we are checking if there is a only one zero, so we are making the assignment. So here only 1 0, so we will make the assignment here. And now that we are crossing all the zeros in that row and in that column, so in the row there is no another zero, so in the column here it is 0, so we are crossing this 0. Now coming to the second row, in the second row 1 0 is there, so making the assignment here and crossing the zeros in that row and in that column. So already in the row 0 is crossed, in the column here 1 0 is there, so we are crossing this 0. Then coming to the third row, in the third row here only 1 0, so here giving the assignment and crossing all the zeros in that row and in that column, but in the row there is no 0, in the column there is no 0. Then coming to the row number 4, so in the row number 4 here it is a 0, so we are giving the assignment here and crossing the zeros in the row and column, so there is no 0. So coming to the last row, so in the last row here we are making the assignment and crossing the 0, but it is already crossed. So we have solved this problem, and here in each row and each column there is a assignment. So we have reached to the optimum solution. So we reached to the optimum solution for assignment problem, but this problem is our traveling salesman problem. So first we will write what is the answer. So what is the answer? So A city to the E, so A E, then B to assignment here is C, then C assignment is D, and for D assignment is B, and for E assignment is a A. So this is a solution. If this problem is a plain assignment model problem, then this answer is a final answer. But this is a traveling salesman problem, and traveling salesman wants to cover all the cities. So how to check that? So here it started with the city A. So here A to E means traveling salesman started from city A, he goes to the city E. So after A he goes to the E. Now if you check for the E, so after E he come again to the A. So A E A. So this is not the final answer or optimum answer, because when he started with the A he goes to the city E and again return back to the A. So this is not a final or optimum solution for the traveling salesman problem. Then how to solve the remaining problem? So here he has not covered all the cities, so we want to again continue this problem for next step. So here I will write this matrix as it is, and then I will explain how to solve this problem. So here C D E. So I will write this all the matrix, all the values in the matrix. So initially I will write this diagonal element, that is M for diagonal element, and all the values I will write. So here it is 1 3 6 0, then here 4 0 6 0, then 4 3 0 3, then 8 0 1 1, and last row is 0 2 0 7. So this is a similar matrix. Okay, here now when the final answer is not getting, so not covering all the cities, so that time we are selecting the next smallest element. Okay, next smallest element other than 0. Now in this matrix 0 is the smallest element, and after 0 next smallest element is, if you check, the 1 is the smallest element. So at this location there is 1, at this location there is 1, and at this location there is a 1. So at 3 location there is 1. So I will write the location here. So which is at AB location there is a 0 1, and then DC location there is a 0 1, and last DE location, here at this location there is a 1 value, and that is a next smallest value for this matrix. Now we will give the allocation at the 1 location. So initially we are giving the allocation or assignment at the 0, we are in rectangle this 0, like we are giving the assignment. Now in this case we can give the assignment to the 1 also. So 1 here also we can give the assignment. So initially we will start with the AB. So at AB location we will give the first assignment, so for solving the problem. So I will give the assignment here 1. Now in this case when we are giving the assignment to the 1, so that time we are crossing zeros as well as 1 in that row and in that column. So in the first row we have given the assignment here, because at the AB location we have started. Okay, so here we will give, and we will cross all the zeros and all the ones in that row and in that column. Okay, then coming to the next row, so in this row there are 2 zeros, so we will skip and we will go for a next step. So in the third row, here only 1 0 is there, so we will give the assignment here and we will cross the zeros in that row and in that column. So in that row and in that column there is no zero. So when coming to the next row, that is a row D, then here 1 and 1, at two location there is a 1. So I will start first, I will give at this one, and if the problem not get answer, then we will go for this location. Okay, so here I have given the assignment. Now I want to cross this 1 also, as well as 0 in that column also. So here we will cross this 0. Then coming to the last row, in the last row only 1 0 is left, so here we will give the assignment and we will cross in that column and row zeros. Then again return back to the row number A. So here already assignment is there. In the row B, here 1 0 is left, so we will give the assignment here and we will check for other zeros. Now in the each row and in each column there is a assignment, or there is an answer, we can say. So here the A to the B, then B to C, C to D, D to A, and E to A. So this is answer. So A to B, then B to E, sorry, B to E is there na, B to E, then C to D, then D to C is there, and E to A. So this is our answer. Now if you check for a traveling salesman answer, so here he started with the city A, he goes to the city B, after B he goes to the city A, after E he goes to the city A. So now here if you check again A, B, E, after completing the city B and city E, he came back to the city A. He has not covered the city D and city C. Okay, so this is also not the final solution. Now we will give, instead of this one, we will give at this location, this one, and we will check for the answer. Once again I will repeat as it is, these steps or matrix as it is. So here I will write A, B, C, D and E, these are the cities, and I will put the matrix. So here diagonal element there is a M, so I will keep M as it is, and other elements are here 1 3 6 0, then 4 0 6 0, then here 4 3 0 3, then 8 0 1 1, and 0 2 0 7. So this is the same matrix. Now we have started, we have given the assignment here at this location. I will change the color. Okay, so here we have given the assignment here, first element, then we are crossing all the zeros in that row and in that column. Then coming to the next row, here 2 zeros, we have skipped this row. Then coming to the third row, here only 1 0, so we have given this answer here, assignment here, and crossing all the zeros, so there is no zero. Then coming to the element or D or row D, so here we have given, initially we have given at this one allocation, but now I am giving the assignment here. Okay, and then crossing this zero, at the same time this zero will be crossed. Okay, then coming back to the next row or last row, so here 2 zeros, so we will skip this, we will check for when there is only 1 0. Again come back to the A row, already assignment is given. In the row B only 1 0 is left, so I will give the assignment here and cross this 0. Then in the third row assignment is there, in the fourth row assignment is there, and in the fifth row only 1 0 is left, so I will give the assignment here. So here in each row and each column there is a assignment. Now we will check the answer. So he start with A to B, then B to C, C to D, D to A, and E to A. So this is the answer. Now we will check for a traveling salesman problem assignment answer. So he started with the A, going to the city B. After B he is going to the city C. After C he is going to the city D. After D he is going to the city E, and after E he is going to the city A. So initial city, start city and end city is the same. So after completing all the cities, the traveling salesman return to the city A. So this is the final solution or final answer of this problem. Now we will check from the problem what is the answer. Okay, so the allocation is A, B, C, D, E, and A. So here from the initial problem, A to B means this 2 is the cost matrix. So here I will write A to B, that is the cost of 2, plus B to C. In the problem B to C, here cost is a 3. So here we will write B to C, the cost is a 3. Similarly, C to D, the cost is a 4, D to E cost is a 5, and E to A, the cost is a 1. So if we add this, so this will be 15. So 15 rupees is a traveling cost for this traveling salesman problem. So you must remember, when he started with any city, he must complete all the cities and returning back to the first city. So in this problem we have given at this one, we have given the assignment that time where he is not reaching to the all the cities. So we have changed this allocation to this location, and then we got the final answer. Okay, so like that you can solve the traveling salesman problem. So in the next lecture we will take the one more complex traveling salesman problem. So thank you.